This is the Provirtec 6-liter large room humidifier. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. The humidifier itself is about 10 inches this way, 6 inches this way, about 13 inches tall, and it's pretty lightweight when it's empty. We got a 2-prong power cable on here that's about 4 foot long, so you got plenty of room to move it around wherever you decide to place it. Inside the package, you are going to get some easy to read instructions. You're going to get what they call the power ring and some instructions on how to install that, and it's super easy. Right on the outside of it, it tells you this side up, so that you know to put which way to put it in. It's super easy to install, just like that. You're going to get a remote control that comes with batteries. I like that. And the remote control performs all the same functions that you're going to find on the front panel, and I will show you that. And you're going to get a cleaning brush that fits down into the tube very nicely and gets around in there good. The unit has a 6-liter silver ion water tank and constant temperature technology that prohibits bacterial growth, that gives you fresher water and cleaner mist. This unit can run up to 60 hours on one full tank, obviously depending on what level you have it set on. The water tank itself is fully integrated into the base to help eliminate leaks. It's a one-piece design. I like that, so that's going to be great for protecting your furniture or wherever you're placing the unit. There are no dead spots inside of the water tank, which makes it super easy to clean using the brush or however you want to do it. On the back of the unit, there's a little spring-loaded compartment here where you can add essential oils if you wish to do that. And you just pop it back in there. Spring loads, locks back into place. This thing kicks out pretty good, as you can see. The top has easy to adjust 360-degree dual mist outlets, so you can set the way you want it to kick out, and it kicks out pretty good. All right, let's go over the panel here. Really super easy to use. You got an on-off switch. And again, you can also control this via the remote control if you want. You've got 5 different power levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set it to where you want and let it go. You've got an auto feature right here. So let's say you want to control the humidity somewhere between 40 and 60 degrees. It adjusts that in 5-degree temperatures. If you go into sleep mode, it's got 3 different settings, 1, 2, or 3. And after a second, the light goes off so you can sleep. This is kind of cool too. It's not only a cool mist humidifier, it's also a warm mist humidifier if you want. And I think that's really cool because you can use this in the summer or the winter. If you want to kick out some warm mist in the wintertime, you can do that by turning on the warm mist section, and it takes about 30 minutes for this thing to heat up to 95 degrees. We've got a timer that you can set between 1 and 12 hours. So there you go, a large room humidifier capable of covering up to 400 square foot. That would be great for family rooms, bedrooms, apartments, dorms, offices, a bathroom, a kitchen, anywhere really. I will be using this to hydrate my guitars over the winter in my music room because the wood dries out, and it's something that kicks out this good. It's going to be great for that. Very nice.